What is going on, everybody? James Black Tech coming here, and I'll be unboxing the WD Black P10 3TB external hard drive for the Xbox. Now, as you all know, with this generation of consoles, there's a lot to be desired when it comes to storage, mainly because when it comes to the Xbox Series S and the PlayStation 5, them being more towards the 500GB range versus 1TB, and the Xbox Series X being around 800GB once you account for the operating system and everything else once you set it up, which really doesn't leave you a lot of space to work with on these hard drives. And that's where this guy comes in here, coming at 3TB and only half the cost of what you would pay for the memory card for the Xbox Series X. Now, yes, while I know the memory card for the Xbox Series S and the Series X are solid state drives, and you can do a lot more with them by being able to play next gen games directly off that gaming drive. This actually is definitely a good option if you don't want to actually drop $220. This came in at only $110. Now, full transparency here, I picked this up on clearance, so it actually was 50% off, so I picked this up for only 55 bucks. So naturally, it was kind of an impulse buy. But coming in at only 3TB and being able to play Xbox One games off of this hard drive, in addition to being able to store all my Xbox One games and my Series X games on this. Now, like I said, you can only play your Xbox One games off of this. You cannot play your Series X games, but being able to actually have the extra storage option where I don't have to delete and then re-download games is actually really nice, because we all have data caps, and I really don't care to go over my data cap and have to pay extra. So being able to store them on this device is actually going to be a lifesaver. And whenever I want to actually download another game, not have to worry about, like, oh, which game do I delete next to make space for this new one. But without further ado, let's unbox it and let's see what we get inside. All right. Ooh, that's nice. As you can see, it's wrapped in this plastic here where you get everything inside. So here's the 3TB 2.5 hard drive, which actually definitely has a decent amount of heft to it. This is actually plastic here around the outer edge, and I can't quite, it feels like it's metal right here. It feels like it has like kind of like cold kind of feeling to the touch, almost like metal. And you got these rubber feet here on the bottom, so you can kind of set it down and it won't go anywhere. It will pretty much just stay right where it's at. You got the Xbox logo right there, WD Black P10 game drive, 2.5 hard drive. So yeah, this is actually a really nice looking hard drive. Game Pass Ultimate, you get an additional 2 months. And then what else we got in here? We have just kind of the quick start guide, which pretty much, these things are easy to set up. You just kind of plug in and it's a pretty easy setup. I never really had an issue with external hard drives on my Xbox consoles. Here's the USB-A to micro type B cable over here. So this will be running from, so this end right here, the USB type A will be plugging into your Xbox console, while the micro B end will be plugging into the hard drive itself. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. And then here's the kind of full-on manual that really, to be frank honest, who really even looks at these? So that was pretty much my unboxing for the WD Black P10 3TB external hard drive for the Xbox Series X. If you guys actually like to catch my full video where I actually test this hard drive, see the transfer speeds and download speeds of this hard drive as well, and actually be able to play some games off of it, definitely don't forget the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also hit that bell so you guys don't miss that video. As always, this has been James Blue Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.